Yeah, gents, I've just had a right good workout here. Do you know what? I'm going to take this sledgehammer over there, yeah? But I don't know if I'll be able to do anything, but I'm going to try, yeah? I'm just really tired. Just had a good workout, mate. Woo! Let's put this up there and try anyway. Hey, don't let my boys down, eh? Let's have a go. Good. Can you see me? I'll come back here a bit, yeah? Let's have a go at this, yeah? Ooh. Let's go. How's that, gents? I don't think I'll be able to do down my shoulder. I think I'll try anyway. Oh yeah, just about. It slipped. Yeah. Bang bang rail, yeah. I'm shattered, mate. Woo. Oh my god. Aye, the old bangers are in, boy. The old bangers are coming, boy. Get them on ya. They're getting there. Yeah.